So in this first clip, we're going to go over the double consonant sound. In the previous clip that I posted in the guide, we talked about just a consonant with a vowel. So da, de, di, do, do, de, de, don. Sa, se, si, so, su, se, son. In this one, we're going to do double consonants. So dwa, dwe, dwi. And see what those put together are going to sound like so we can start getting better at pronunciation and reading. For the first one, we have DJ, which makes the j sound, j, as in adjust. We have DW, which makes the dwa sound, as in Dwight, dwa. We have DZ, as in beds, za. We have the GW sound as in penguin, gua, gua. We have the GY sound as in agya, so gya, gya. We have the HN sound as in John, hna, hna. We have the KD sound as in Brockton, kda, kda. We have KH as in khaki, ka, ka. We have KN as in black knight, kna, kna. We have KS as in kicks, ksa, ksa. We have KW as in quick, kwa, kwa. We have KY as in backyard, kya, kya. We have NY as in canyon, nya, nya. We have SG as in ask, ska, ska. We have SH as in decipher, sha, sha. We have ST as in understand, sta, sta. We have SW as in sweet, swa, swa. We have SY, which makes the sh sound, as in show, sha, sha. We have TG as in shotgun, tga, tga, tga. We have TH as in taught, ta, ta. And we have TS as in cats, ta, ta. We have T with a S with the V, which makes the ch sound, as in chalk, cha, cha. And we have TW as in twice, twa, twa. So now we're going to go through all of them, and I'm going to say each one twice, just the sound. I'm sorry if I keep looking off to the corner, but that's where my paper is, okay? So first one, dja, dja. Dwa, dwa, da, da, gwa, gwa, gya, gya, hna, hna, kda, kda, ka, ka, kna, kna, ksa, ksa, kwa, kwa, kya, kya, nya, nya, ska, ska, sa, sa, sta, sta, swa, swa, sha, sha, tga, tga, ta, 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 cha, cha, twa, twa. Good job. This chart right here shows the double consonant sounds when they're combined with the various vowels. So we're going to practice just the first four, and I encourage you on your own time to sit down and go through these and practice them on your own. First one is the DJ sound. Dja, dj, dji, the do, the ju, the ja, the jet, the don't. Again, the ja, the j, the g, the jo, the ju, the jet, the gent, the don't. Next one is dw, dwa, dwe, dwi, dwo, dwu, dwe, dwen, dwon. Again, dwa, dwe, dwi, dwo, dwu, dwe, dwen, dwon. The next one is dz, da, day, d, do, do, da, dent, don't. Again, da, day, d, do, do, da, dent, don't. GW, gua, gui, gui, guo, gu, gue, guen, guon. Again, gua, gui, gui, guo, gu, gue, guen, guon. One of the things that new speakers and new learners might find confusing and difficult is hearing the difference between a nasalized A versus a nasalized E. And a good example to show you and to feel and hear the differences is in the word man versus men. So when you say man, it's a little bit higher in your voice versus men, which is a little bit deeper. So let's take the double consonant combo of DW and do it with a nasalized A and then a nasalized E. We hear dwe, dwen, dwe, dwen. Just keep practicing and drill yourself through the double consonant sound chart and then combine them with the vowels. And the more that you practice, the more that you'll be able to naturally make these sound. That's all it is that I wanted to post on the consonants mixed with the vowels and the double consonants and what the alphabet and the sound pieces and writing pieces are of Onondawat Gat Goano. Tomorrow I will not be doing a live class. I'll make a post on it. Instead, I decided that I want to do some speaking drills and some reading drills with you guys because I noticed that a few people are having a really hard time with just the pronunciation and the reading. My own partner also told me that he felt like he needed more practice with pronunciation and reading, and I think that makes total sense. So tomorrow's class is actually just going to be a series of video clips, and we're just going to drill through and practice reading words and breaking down words. So those will be posted at 1 o'clock tomorrow. And that's all I got. Askonget.